Hello everyone, I'm Marlon, and today I want to show you the Gitty Psychobox guitar distortion pedal, and in the following video I'll show you how I went about making it, and then at the end I'll demonstrate how it sounds. Here is an overview of the Gitty Psychobox distortion pedal kit and its components. The potentiometer and the knob were fastened onto the faceplate using a small screwdriver and a socket wrench. A drill and a Dremel tool were used to cut a hole in the cigar box for the circuit board. A drill and a Dremel tool were used to make holes for the input and output jacks. An area on the box was marked with a pencil, and a hole for the battery box was cut out using a Dremel tool. The input and output jacks were installed. The red wires were connected to the positive terminals, and the black wires were connected to the negative terminals. The nuts on the jacks were tightened with a socket wrench. The faceplate was secured to the cigar box with 4 screws. The battery box was fastened to the cigar box with 2 screws. This is what the finished project looked like. To demonstrate how this Psychobox works, what I'm going to do, we use a Psychobox. Then I also have a Gitty guitar amplifier that I built. And I'm going to run it through this modified Squier Stratocaster guitar. Here is the initial setup, as I mentioned. Okay, now that I have it all set up, this is what it sounds like on the bypass without any distortion. Now this is what it sounds like with the boost. This is what it sounds like with the blue setting. This is what it sounds like with the rock setting. This is what it sounds like with the metal setting. anyway, that's how the CB Gitty Psychobox guitar pedal sounds like and how it works. Please hit the like and subscribe button, and you may want to get one of these and build it yourself, okay? Until next time, bye.